I remember years ago, I used to have an office with a large gravel parking lot, and I battled those grasses and weeds all the time that would pop up right through that gravel no matter what I did. Now, I tried to spray on a lot of the weed and grass killers, and they would work okay for a while, but I found something that worked just as good, and it was even cheaper, just regular table salt. Now, I would buy it in the large 40-pound bags, and it worked so well, very easy to use. Then I found something that was even cheaper, and that's boiling water. You can take your tea kettle and just pour it directly on any of the weeds or grasses that you may have, and it just basically cooks them right in place, kills them quicker than just about anything else. Now, just like any weed killers, you want to make sure you're only applying the salt or the hot water right where you want to kill it, not over on your nice grass. But when you really want to get rid of them, if you have just a few weeds, just simply pull them out by the roots.